This is a short clip of an attempt on my life, because tell me why. I got home Saturday morning at 4:30 and right now it's 6:30 a.m. and I'm headed for a nature trail. If this is not an attempt on my life, what is it? What is it? I bet you know how I'm feeling right now, yeah? It's still here, like, it's so fresh. Polite, you say. Let's see how this goes. Goal one met. My goal was not to take a bike to the main road from my place. We've made it to the main road. I'm really testing my resilience. How far can I push my body? Let's see. We'll find out. Let's see. Am I tired? Yes. Am I surviving? Yes. We're in Nairobi. We're in the CBD. Goal number 2 checked. Getting to CBD. We're gonna do this. I feel like resilience is something that's just in the mind, and today I'm gonna conquer that. I feel like this is like 1,000 ways to die, because how am I trailing? 1.5 hours of sleep, literally, bro. Y'all should have seen me last night. The way I was there jumping, like, we had such a good time. We scooped so many awards, so like, even not getting that sleep was just worth it, bruv. I'm in the middle of town, and the matatu I took, it tore my carrier bag, man. Ugh. It is not giving hike. It is not. Why am I even hiking on tarmac? It's not giving. Sorry. Look who's standing strong. Look who's still standing strong. Don't try this at home, by the way. It's just for me. And I think I'm doing well, because so far I've done like 5 miles since I woke up, and I'm strong. Let's go. Sorry. I thought I had seen it all, but come, let me show you. There's so much sun on my back, but let's go. Let me show you. Something. Natujengea. Asante. Let me show you. Nature is always like, ask about me. When you marvel, it's like, ask about me. Look at this. She's legit about, ask about me. Ask about me. Look at that phrase. Look. Bro. This is so calming. So super relaxing. Look at the human trying to go down. Those folks right there, they're doing a good job, because they're trying to fix the road to like accessing this plateau. So there's a whole bit going on up there, but the road towards getting there is really muddy and like this red soil. Thank God for my shoes. I got this at Hillcrest in town. This is my avenue. So let's go back. What I had to go through. Take this for you. You better like that video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because got you guys. Same way I love you, just show me the love back. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, show me some love. The same way I'm showing you some love with my bad videos. With today, I've told you this is 1,000 ways to die. So like in the forest and all that stuff. So,
my Saturday could be better. Ow, 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 ow. A muscle pull.
Oh, okay. That is from something.
No. It's a muscle pull. Plus my legs are too soft, like.
Okay, that's good for you. I like the way you're swimming. Yeah. I like the way you're swimming. I don't like the way you're swimming.
civilization just left behind, and we have decided that we will remove our shoes just like and give up over here actually, because we've been stuck here for like 5 minutes. There's so much traffic. Send help. Send helicopter. Getting crazy. Getting really crazy. And immediately I stepped on this bridge right here. It sank and broke. I locked 3 people from crossing over this place. They had to really maneuver and eventually come back to this spot because it was the only one that was passable. But oh my God, the disrespect that nature had on my weight, my Lord. Well, everybody got home safe. Let's continue the vlog. Just when I asked the government for help, this is how they have to repay me. Those pipes, me. Have you ever been happy and afraid for your life at the same time? Let me tell you, these pipes fixed my attention span. I was so attentive. Every time I was told, move slower, I've never been so obedient all my life. Can you see the babe behind me? She was just on another level. I was even more courageous. Oh my gosh, this was crazy but fun. I enjoyed it.
That's what she said.
We came across this beautiful cabbage garden and we all just marveled. This was a steep climbing lane and we were almost through with the hike and it started raining midway. But all this was just worth it. done and dusted. We're in the middle of Githunguri town. We're just walking, looking for a restaurant to see if we can get something to eat. But yo, those are very, very adventurous one. Never felt more adventured. Loved it.